हेल्प से करती है जी सर Thank you. She is telling that not only her house, her village was destroyed. There was no communication. There was no road communication. They were using some local boats to communicate between the villages and taking people out, as well as providing them the health care. He used it.
Those that have seen their houses destroyed, about those that lost the cattle, about those that have no money to pay the loans that they have contracted to be able to plant. And it was these people that each one of you was rescuing, was helping to escape this horrible flood.
कोई माण्हू जिनजा घर पिया ॾियनि कोई माण्हू जंहिंजी ज़मीनूं बि ख़तमु थियनि जंहिंजा माल मता पिया ख़तमु थियनि जेके तकलीफ़ुनि में हुया उन ट्रामा में हुया तकलीफ़ में उन्हनि खे तव्हां जेका मदद कई उन खां वधीक को मिसाल नथो थी सघे इन खां वधीक का प्रेज़ेंटेशन
Unfortunately, in our world, there is many people that is selfish and only thinks about themselves.
दुनिया में अहिड़ा माण्हू आहिनि जेके ख़ुदगर्ज़ आहिनि सिर्फ़ु पंहिंजे लाइ सोचींदा आहिनि पर तव्हां उन्हनि मां आहियो जिन ॿियनि जे लाइ सोचियो इन मुसीबत में निकिरी पाण खे मदद
But I'm going to use your example of solidarity, generosity, and of courage to ask the world to have the same attitude in support of Pakistan, for Pakistan to be able to help all those that you have described and that are suffering so much.
मां तव्हांजो मिसाल सॼी दुनिया खे ॾींदुसि तव्हां जेका हिमत ॾेखारी आहे बहादुरी ॾेखारी आहे ज़रूरत ॾेखारी आहे ये कम थे तो सॼी दुनिया खे ॿुधाए त हीअ हिमत वारी क़ौम आहे पाकिस्तान मुसीबत में आहे हुननि सभु मदद आहे तो पाण मदद कंदा पिया पंहिंजी ऐं सॼी दुनिया बि हिनजी मदद आहे
You were helping your neighbor. In the world, we are now all neighbors. This is only one world. So the neighbors in general of Pakistan need to be as generous as you were with your neighbors.
जीअं तव्हां पाड़ेसरनि जी मदद कई आहे दुनिया सॼी एतिरी पाड़ेसरी आहे सॼी दुनिया गॾु आहे ईअं सॼी दुनिया लाइ हिकु मिसाल काइमु कयो आहे त सॼी दुनिया जीअं तव्हां पाड़ेसरनि जी मदद कई सॼी दुनिया पाकिस्तान
Thank you very much for your words that were very important for me.